This segment is sponsored by Alice Law. I am here at the firm on Cascade Road with attorney Jordan Bush, and we are talking estate planning. Who should be doing it and when? And that is the critical question, isn't it?
Absolutely. Anyone who is 18 years or older and still fogging a mirror needs some level of estate planning. And one of the most common misconceptions we hear is, I don't have a large estate. I'm not a multi-millionaire. Therefore, I don't need an estate plan. And it's just not true. Anybody who's 18 years and older has different estate planning considerations that we need to take care of with the right legal tool. So if you're the college student who's going away from home for the first time, or if you're the business owner in your 40s or 50s, or if you're a senior looking at the next chapter of life, everybody needs some level of estate planning.
Wow, now that surprises me to hear it that young. Certainly the other end of the spectrum,
Sure.
I understand. So this is not a one-size-fits-all kind of experience either, is it?
No.
It is customized to a person and their dreams, right?
Absolutely. You know, the 18-year-old who's going away to college for the first time has completely different estate planning needs than the 75-year-old in retirement. And really the only way to identify what those goals and the right tools to accomplish those goals is to have a customized plan. So often we hear from parents whose kids are going away for college for the first time, for example. And we have to explain to them that if the students are 18 years or older and they get in a car accident, God forbid, or they have to go to the hospital, the parents might not have legal access or legal authority to make medical decisions, for example, for their college-aged or young professionals. Now that's very different planning than simply who gets my stuff when I die,
Right.
Estate planning, which is what most people think estate planning is comprised of.
But it is so much more than that, right?
It is so much more than that, which is why we've created this interactive tool called a Life Map.
Yeah.
And the Life Map is a tool that helps identify what estate planning issues someone should be looking at different chapters or different seasons of their life. That way they're not left unprotected and they're not left unprepared. We know if we have a chance to meet with a client, we can identify what their needs are and therefore put the right tools in place so they're prepared for every chapter of life.
Failure to do this results in disappointment long after I'm gone, right?
Sure,
and
sure.
problems
Yep.
for my survivors.
Absolutely. You know, the probate court here in Michigan, each county has its own probate court, which handles matters surrounding wills and powers of attorney and incapacity, those types of things. And the probate court is a great process to seek resolution. However, it can be a long process and it can be an expensive process if somebody's not prepared. So we always want to make sure that families are completely prepared for whatever life throws at them and that they're legally equipped with the tools that they need.
So first thing is find out where they are on that life map, right? How do they do that?
Absolutely. So if you go to our website, which is allislaw.com, ALLES.com/lifemap, you can run through our interactive tool to see what considerations you should be thinking about at each chapter of life. Then after you've identified where you are on that life map, we can have a free consultation to help further identify your goals and then identify the legal tools we need to accomplish those goals.
All right, the website, allislaw.com. You can find a link on our site at 13onyourside.com. So good to be here. Thanks for having us out.
Thanks so much.